It's great to see you. Today I have a tip that will help you rewire your neural pathways and only eat to live instead of living to eat, and also curb your tendency to want to eat emotionally. And I'm doing this using E.F.T, emotional freedom technique, which I've used in my life and is a go-to for me in rewiring my neural pathways and reprogramming myself, okay, to do interrupt patterns that aren't helpful. Now, if you're willing to do this with me, just take full responsibility for yourself. You can also work with, your medical team so that you approach this holistically. But I have found that using tapping, I can literally rewire my brain and interrupt patterns that aren't helpful. So to start this off, you can just follow along, do as I do with tapping around my body, mostly just this upper part, and say what I say, and try this, okay, for yourself and see what happens. Now, the first part is to ask yourself, when you say, I'm eating to satisfy my emotions, close your eyes. I'm eating to satisfy my emotions. How true does that ring for you? On a scale of 1 to 10, where 0 is not at all and 10 is totally true, where does that number fall for you? If it's not a 2 or below, you can lower that number by using tapping, okay? So here we go. Even though I eat when I'm not hungry, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I eat to satisfy cravings, I deeply and completely love and honor myself. Even though I eat to appease my emotions, I love, honor, and forgive myself. And now we're going to tap through these points around the face. I eat when I'm sad, and I eat when I'm bored. I eat when I'm full. I eat to quell my emotions. All this emotional eating is weighing me down. I really want to change this eating pattern and release weight. But what if I could change my state and this pattern? What if I could eat for nourishment, enjoy the flavor, and stop when I'm full? It would be a welcome new pattern. I choose to eat when I'm hungry and feel satisfied when I'm full. I'm replacing binge eating with drinking water. And I'm raising my metabolism with exercise. I choose to eat for energy and a healthy body and release the weight that I don't need. I am now aligned with good habits that support my energy and body. I'm eating to live and releasing living to eat. I'm firing up my best body with healthy eating habits for my best life. As I let go of overeating, I naturally release weight that is not needed. I'm lightening my body with a quicker metabolism. My body is resetting to the right shape and weight for me. I love the confidence that comes with eating well and being healthy. And now take a deep breath. Now say it again. I eat to satisfy my emotions. Now that number should be lighter. For me, it is much lighter. If it isn't a 2 or below for you, you can go through this process again until you bring that number down, and then watch the way this plays out in your life. I hope you enjoy this tip, and I hope you enjoy tapping. There's a free resource, emofree.com, that you can go to if you'd like more information about tapping. You can always do your tapping exercises with your holistic medical plan, whatever that is for you. Okay, but I hope that you enjoyed this process and enjoy your day. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.